It's been a fantastic start to our summer. Just feeling a little bit cooler, at least below average compared to where we should be for this time of year. Tonight, we stay dry with a comfortable air mass in place, just some clouds around. Then tomorrow, yes, once again, we are below average. We will have more clouds and we will track a few showers into Friday, and then turning the page into the weekend, it is going to be warmer, but we're also going to tick up the humidity just a bit. So starting to feel a little bit different. High temperatures today in the upper 60s to the low 70s, 66 in Boston. Average high this time of year, 78, and 64 is that water temperature. We've had an onshore breeze that's kept it much cooler along the coast. The visible satellite does show a lot of the clouds continuing to erode, and mainly seeing a lot of those clouds that are in our inland locations while you get abundant sunshine if you're closer to the coast. 64 that water temp, and 64 in the city of Boston with that onshore breeze. 71 in Bedford, 69 in Worcester with just a very light wind and a comfortable air mass. Great for the Blue Sox game if you're headed there this evening. Here's our radar and satellite. So today it has been dry, and we've had any showers staying well to our south. That has been thanks to high pressure. So high pressure in charge has helped to bring that more of that onshore flow, keeping our coastal towns cooler. Now it's going to continue to slide to the south and the east. We'll still have more of an onshore breeze tomorrow, but this will allow some of these showers to rotate in by the back half of the day. Tonight, just holding on to some clouds. Metro locations will drop into the low 50s along with the Merrimack Valley and Worcester County, and in our usual fog-prone spots, this is where you could wake up with some patchy fog. But we're really going to have clouds that will favor our south coast, Buzzards Bay, Cape and Island locations, and that's where your temperatures will hold in the mid to upper 50s. Throughout tomorrow morning, it's still going to be mild. We'll have increasing cloud cover throughout the day in the 60s through the morning, and by the afternoon, upper 60s near 70 degrees. So we'll shave a couple degrees off of where we ended up today. But we are tracking those showers, so let's pick this up tomorrow morning so you can get a closer look at what's in store for our Thursday. There's that increasing cloud cover, and you can see any of our rain staying mainly to the south throughout the morning. As we go into about midday, still relatively dry, and then into the afternoon, this is when we bring in a chance for a few of these showers. But watch this as it continues to advance north. A lot of it really falls apart, so showers are going to be few and far between, and really favoring anyone that is along the Mass Pike and further south. If you're north, you get in a little bit more sprinkles possibly, and then most of the day a little bit more sunshine. Through the evening and the night, that's when we could still have some lingering showers that rotate on through. High temperatures tomorrow in the low 70s. Farther north that you get with a little bit more sunshine, fewer clouds, low to mid 70s, and along the coast will likely keep it in the mid to upper 60s. Looking ahead to Friday, area of low pressure and associated warm front is going to work its way north. On the other side of this warm front, higher dew points, also warmer temperatures. Look at where our dew points are headed. It's going to start to feel a little bit more muggy by Friday, and then we'll continue with that into the weekend. With more relative humidity in place, this is going to help to fire off some storms into the afternoon for our weekend days. Now, any of these days that you see with the 7-day forecast with the lightning bolts and the storms, it's not going to be a complete washout, but we will watch for that. Tomorrow's our coolest day, and then from there, upper 70s to the low 80s.